Hey everyone, this is Jordan from sleeklens.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the ability to kind of create your own stock photo library in Photoshop in case you need to have access to some stock photos of your own, in this case, a sky replacement. So if you're like me and you do a lot of compositing, you might find yourself digging into your hard drive somewhere and trying to find folders that you kind of roughly have organized and trying to find these random photos to apply to your compositions. So what I wanted to talk about is a feature in Photoshop called libraries that basically allows you to create a library worth of images, graphics, whatever you need to help you organize your random stock photos. So let's say I have this image here and I want to start with a sky replacement. Typically I would have a folder like this where it would say sky library, and I would have these images in here that show skies that I would probably want to use in sky replacements. So let's say I wanted to use one of these, but I didn't really want to have to jump out of Photoshop to try to find it. Well, you can use library. So I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way, and I'm going to go into Photoshop and I'm going to go to Window, Libraries. And this will bring up in a Libraries Properties box here. And what I want to do is create a new library for this. So what I'm going to do is click this little button up here, and I'm going to say Create New Library. And this is where it will give me the option of naming the library. So I'm going to say skies. And I'm going to click create. So here is where I can basically drag in all of my images that I want to keep in this library. And what's really great about this, as you can see right here, it says drag and drop images or colors or layer styles and any assets. And these basically work with every Adobe app. So any Adobe app that basically has the library function built in, you can actually access these all together. They kind of sync back and forth. So that's a really cool feature. So I'm going to go over here to my folder. I'm going to highlight all of these and I'm going to drag these into Photoshop and just drop them there. So now I can move this out of the way and all of my images, all of my sky images are in here. And now all I need to do, whenever I need these, I can just close this down and show you what I can do here. Close this tab. I'm going to go back up to Window, Libraries, and here are my library files. Let's say I needed this particular sky, I can just drag this over, and if I see this message, it's basically just saying that they're going to be converted into smart objects and all that kind of stuff. I don't need to see that again, so I'll say don't show again, click OK. And here's my full resolution sky that I can start working in and replacing that sky with this one. Acts just like you did if you were to drag it in from a folder. So this is a really cool way of staying organized in Photoshop with your stock photo library. So that's just a really cool feature I thought I would share because I've always hated having to try to organize my photos somewhere else. So this is a really great way of organizing them directly in Photoshop, so you can basically just throw Photoshop full screen and never have to leave it and just start working on your photos. So thank you for joining me in this video. This has been Jordan from Sleek Lens, and I'll see you in the next one.